was fantastic.
It was a new thing for us as we were from the Java background. We were not having any knowledge on that. So exploring it, getting new ideas, enhancing our skills, and which was helping us also. This will also help us to grow more in our future.
I think hackathons are very much required so that we learn new stuffs and we get to explore. It was amazing working for this project. Thanks, Torry Harris, for this opportunity.
Yeah. Initially, we felt nervous, but after going there, we felt a little bit less nervous. Yeah, it was a new experience for me. First time I was presenting something in front of everyone. It was a nice experience. It was great.
Awesome, we enjoyed. So, we were skeptical before starting, or before, but close to the demo, we were all calm and we went ahead. We had a clear plans. We went and executed it well.
Yeah, it was good. Actually, it is good that we got a new platform where we can give our ideas, right? It was internally, it is happening in challenging partners. Externally is also verifying us, and internally is also supporting this purpose. That's good.
Yeah, it was really good. They asked some really nice questions and we could showcase our application really well. And we were, pretty, I would say proud of what we showed.
Yeah, it was completely a new experience. So we have worked on the existing projects and everything, right? Integrating the AI to the existing project and how it is helpful as a developer and how it is helpful to the team as a developer in the application. So it was a nice experience.
It was a good one. Actually, it's a new thing for us, for every one of us. So it was a great time. So we had explored so many things. So we were able to demonstrate the things within the time frame given. So they were asking few questions. So how could be that done? So we have given the insights. How can be done better? So what is the future things? So what are the impacts it done for our business basically in the in-house projects or the in-house teams basically? So these things has been covered everyone.
Hackathon experience was actually good. It's been a long time since I've participated in a hackathon, so it was actually good.
It was my first time, so it was very exciting for me.
So before we went into the demo, I think we were not this nervous as such because we thought we would rock and everything. We did rock, but yes, once we went into the demo, it was a little bit more of a panic mode. We were just worried will the judges like it or not? And seeing him panic, I was panicking more. It was, his hands were shaking like this.
Had to try this. From 3 days we have not slept. Yeah, the demo went well. It was our first hackathon as well. So we were pretty excited for this day, and it went pretty well today.
We thought I just came first.
It was really good. It was a great opportunity actually because we didn't anticipate to be here, but it gave us a drive through the cutting edge technology. So we got into somehow, but it went well.
We wanted to explore what people are doing today and what the other teams are doing. So for that reason, we had participated.
Yeah, actually, it was our first hackathon. It was really excited. It was good.
It's a great opportunity. We have learned some new things and we collaborated with our team and we tried out new ideas.
Our product is digital.
Visualize and tell.
Visualizing and telling the things. So we came with an idea that is a Vision, an AI-driven application. So it's automatically draft test case, executes, and gender proof. So multiple things.
Everything integrated in one application for every end-to-end testing.
So only our tagline is testing simplified basically.
Yeah. Trust it and test it.
Nice. So the project is basically an inference service where we have RAG as a service. So you can configure your own RAG application, upload a document and start querying it. You have multiple options like this online, but you don't have the nitty-gritty configurations where you can control the chunking, the embedding type, the kind of vector store you want to use. All of this is controllable and configurable, and later you can edit it as well. So you can try different permutations and combinations and understand how it affects your queries and your chatbot.
Yeah, so our project is basically a AI-based code reviewer. So what it does is it reduces a senior developer job by making the AI suggestions whatever the fixes that can potentially cause issues on the production. We catch it before and we give the suggestions so that it can be fixed way before we push it to the production. So that is how that is the problem that we are trying to solve for.
Consider SDLC Copilot, which will be in the DevOps as well as in the development side.
both the side we have used an AI to enhance the productivity, you can say.
I think because the problem that we picked up is a everyday problem, and the solution that we have provided is not a convenience anymore in this world. It has become a necessity, because everywhere you see tone misinterpretation, communication leaks and everything. So our tool threadinsight.ai, it will take the complex email threads and give you summarized context of what is to be done, generate reply, give you escalation warnings and everything. So I think it is really useful and it will stand out with.
Yeah, as we mentioned, it is fitting into an area of software governance, right? So when as many organizations nowadays adopting Agile, has got multiple Agile teams coming in, and when that happens, Jira becomes one of the critical tool for them in order to manage their projects. So what we observed is each of their teams will start working on Jira on their own style, organization style, right? So there is no consistency across teams. So what we thought is these kind of agents can be plugged in. It can bring them consistency across the different teams in an organization. That is the motivation.
Okay. So our problem statement was many API spec is like implemented is on the most modern application. It is like everyday day-to-day usage, right? So that there we found the pain points. So for that we get the solutions.
Our project solution is combination of automation plus how we are integrating AI in there. So the person who was manually doing all those things like analyzing the logs and finding the root cause, so our automation is doing that for them. They just need to sit and monitor the dashboard which we have developed, and they will get to know the probable root cause for this defect.
So the project is a dynamic analytics generator. So what it can do is you can upload any kind of data. So it could be Excel, it could be JSON, all these different kinds of data. You could upload it to our service and it would generate a dynamic analysis like a dashboard with insights, graphs and basic anomalies detection, and also it has a chat feature, so you could ask questions based on your data set.
We try to develop a framework which can be utilized later point of time for a React-built solutions. This complete solutions comes as a framework to combine everything and just utilize time to reduce the effort and time for an end user. That's what we have tried.
So to solve the real-time issue, our whatever the RCA engine is there, it will help us out to fix a problem of the production issues very fast.
Yeah, the one thing they mentioned is like syncing of the data. In Confluence, there will be a large data, right? And that syncing into our this one chatbot, it will take time. So if it is large data, how we can do it? So we answered with that we can use different AI models such as Anthropic Claudes and all. So they were good with that.
It's like how the AI integration helping resources do a less manual task. Now for each and everything, we were spending a lot of time in like searching and analyzing. It can be any of the team developers, DevOps, this or any team. We were like putting a lot of efforts, manual efforts. But this AI integration or whatever we are learning, it is like saving us a lot of time. We can learn the new things, right? So it's saving us what factors, right? So it is helping us at service level, application level, and it is helping us as well to learn the new skills.
We work in the backend team, marketplace backend team. So there, during our development process, we face issues. So in order to check those issues, we had to go through multiple logs. So in order to cut down all that manual process, we came up with this log stage. So here it automatically reads our log files and analyzes it using AI.
Yeah. So
you get insights on what should be what might be wrong, how can you improve it. So yeah.
We went ahead with this was our project name is this was. So our main ideology was a divided LLM architecture. So every time we just go with a single LLM architecture and just overload the LLMs. So what we came up was to divide the roles of the LLMs and make it a more balanced one so that it will be more cost efficient and much robust. So that was our main idea behind it.
So basically it's a security tool which we created. What it basically does is like every time we'll send information to ChatGPT and any other AI models, right? Instead of doing it directly, it goes through our layer of security wherein it basically masks the information. For example, if it's a
organization which is like has a strict restrictions on their data, then like it becomes harder for them to use other AI tools, whereas like other organizations are just going ahead with AI and then like they are developing in a very fast pace. This becomes a bottleneck for them in their development. So what we basically do is act as a layer between the AI models and the internal data and customer data, so that it never gets out of the organization.
So our project is a smarter, personalized, collaborative, multi-role, explainable AI delivery companion. Okay. It helps the delivery teams be efficient, time awareness and quality.
Our project is basically like to make queryless actually in the world of SQL, right? So where a DBA should write a lot of very 500 lines of SQL queries to get some data and all. So our tool will just, you say, hey boss, I want this one, it will get you. That's it.
Yeah, it will do the pattern predicts, email generation, automated generation, and it will predict the risk as well. And one more, mainly we are concentrating on no manual trace, so it will be fully automated. So what I can say, so what I can say in model is, so one dashboard, zero tolerance, and one with a zero dashboard inside.
Project was actually creating the test cases with the help of AI, because we both are testers. So we spent a lot of almost a 1 day or 2 days in creating test cases. So our AI created test cases in like 2 to 3 minutes. So that basic project it was.
It's about you can say it's called Casport. It's a customized AI solution. So basically, if you consider ChatGPT or generative AI, right, it works on the generic mode. Like it will fetch the all over the, you can say, existing data. So what our AI does fit in like organization level. It's a very granular level. It's fit into our organization level, or you can say enterprise level. It's not into the generic one. It's a secure way to execute the details of the customer problems.
It actually like a local AI assistant model, so which we train on our code base. So it doesn't leave our company. Like there will be, it is private, and actually it understands the entire code base fully, so that it can give the results more accurate and without less prone to errors actually.
It was basically about the policy GPT, because we have the lot of policies present in our Namma Hive, right? So if someone wants something, they have to go through the entire policy and read, right? Instead of that, what if there is a AI assistant, a chatbot, which can answer the policy within 30 seconds? Like that is the to get the policy, to get the information anywhere. Currently, it will take another between 5 to 10 minutes, but our solution gives it within 30 seconds.
Yesterday was a bit memorable.
Yeah, we thought like we were just in college, like doing our final year projects, sitting, preparing PPT, preparing for demo presentation. So it was nice.
That we had opportunity to explore apart like the things which we are doing in a regular routine, right? Apart from that, we had things that we can learn and which we can take it forward. Like what we have implemented right now, no, it's a thing which we really wanted. So if we had some more time, we could have tried to complete it and use it in the regular projects as well.
We will try to complete.
Yeah, I hope our agents will get deployed soon and run the show for us.
Of course. And then we enjoyed the process of how this whole thing happened. Yeah, we didn't find time. We didn't have time to sleep. We didn't have time to do our BAU. But at the end of it, we thought it is worth the
experience. Yeah.
And we have committed to ourselves that we don't want to let this as this go away after this. We wanted to continue to evolve as a product and take it to the next stage. That is our key thing that we have here.
We are going through the AI training actually. So we just gone through the practice the just normal examples. But now we got to work with actual data. So while data generation and training model, it was interesting.
This is the first time we are in this type of hackathon. But yeah, now get to know what is the level of the competition and all these things. So
yeah, that is the point. We while going through the training, we never thought this is the process, like how we can actually integrate AI in our day-to-day, how can we automate our day-to-day processes. It was like going back again to college days where we used to do our final year projects. So this is the same feeling.
The collaboration what we did is like quite awesome.
and we picked quite a couple of tools and the overall coding experience integrations.
This was my first hackathon and it went well. It went as we planned and we are happy about the execution, and we are on our way to implement this in the real systems as well.
It will, so whatever we are developing now, we can implement this idea. So many others are bringing so many ideas, so they're thinking out of the box only comes with this platform, or else it will be limited to our whatever work we will do.
In project and all, we work on particular component only. So in this hackathon, we got a chance to work from end to end, from design, development, testing. So it will be a nice experience for us.
Overall, the experience was really great. We loved it. We are happy that we got this opportunity to portray our skills. There was a lot to we have explored a lot and we've got to do this all. So yeah.
One thing which I'll remember is we pushed our limits to the extreme. Basically, we extended our times, and we were not expecting we can do this much in this short amount of time. Having a development as well as this hackathon at the same time, so doing 8 hours that and then again extending further, this was a really eye-opening experience.
I think yes, definitely it helps everyone to push further what we are doing on a daily basis. We gave all our efforts, we learned a lot, we enjoyed also. We met a lot of other teams, we got to know what they are building, new ideas, what we can do. So it was a pretty good experience. I think we really enjoyed it.
We get to know about the new tool which Vinay suggested. So we looked into it and it's kind of a good opportunity to work into that field.
I really enjoyed is we was very obsessed on AI actually, what to do on AI. So since we are on the background of middleware API, so we are not very much into the AI actually. So this gave a very big opportunity to understand the real world examples and real world problems, what we need to solve, and what we by solving that how much impact that we can bring, and we can move to the next level.
To be frank, for the past 8 years we haven't slept, so we are working till 3 a.m. Yeah, but still we want to make a change, not only with the team but showcase everything in our organization.
Normally I used to code at daily times, so it was short period of time. So we implemented the code within 1 week. So it was nice. So on day and nights we have done hard work for this one.
As I told, it was really good. Had a lot of fun and we got to learn many things about AI and different models.
I think we'll try to implement this because it is interesting. We have the prototype now. So I think definitely we'll explore it and
we'll try to propose to
create a product out of it.
And also we'll try to implement in the client.
We have to experiment again and again with the AI. It was good actually, and we learned so many things while in this journey. Previously, we were supposed to working in a static environment, whereas there is no AI-driven solutions for the day-to-day activities which we are doing. Currently, we found a ways how we can enhance with AI integrations in our project day-to-day activities, so that can reduce our efforts, and at the same time it will benefit to the organization to give a more more productivity to the organization that will increase.
I think this was a very different experience from what we go through day to day, right? Or as we just sticking onto our laptop, just doing the daily work, right? But this has given a really good platform where people can bring out their own new ideas, they can work on it, they can show it, they can get a really good feedback, which is also encouraging, right? So I think this should keep happening again. And
the process is very smooth and nice. Yeah. So we enjoyed. This is our first time here as a participation in this hackathon. So we'll surely like to participate in the future hackathon as well.
Yeah. From now on, we'll be thinking we have to automate everything. Wherever we find the gap, we think the way we have to automate.
Torry Harris is given a great opportunity. We came with some innovative things, and this it's very grateful to do. And thanks Torry Harris.
And the potential of AI in our field, it can do wonders because we have explored, we have seen what it's actually capable of. I think we should keep exploring more and bring up with more stuff. Yeah.
More hackathons, make more products. We can try more products and we can implement them.
We want to thank Torry Harris to provide this wonderful opportunity. So within the short time was very short, but
we enjoyed a lot. I mean, we interacted a lot, shared our thoughts. So it is very good actually. So we are hoping that in next we will have some more greater opportunity to learn AI and do it. Yeah.
It really went well. We should say that others should get inspired and join this.
Even if you are busy with the BA activity, but still we got some time to come up and to present the ideas. It was nice.
So from a different background actually, and it's good to work with the AI. So earlier I had done some projects also. So it was a good experience with the panels also. We showcased what he picked up with our targets. I would like to thank KSPS for providing this opportunity.